Hello, and welcome to another video on logical reasoning. In this video series on ranking, we are going to apply the concepts we studied to solve questions on single ranking problem. If you have not seen our previous video on Introduction to Ranking, go and check it out, as it lays down the foundation on how to approach such problems. Without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, here's the first question on single ranking problem. Try to solve and see if you're able to arrive at the answer. For any problems, it is always helpful to understand the given information through visual representation. Since Darsh is ranked 4th from top, there are 3 students above him. Now, if there are 10 students in total, 3 of which are above Darsh, there must be 6 students below him. So, if there are 6 students below Darsh, his rank must be 7th from bottom. We can also solve this question through the given formula. By adding 1 to the difference between the total students and the rank from top, we can arrive at the rank from bottom. But it is always better to understand the approach rather than memorizing formula. Before we jump into another question, here's a question for you to solve on your own. Let us know your answers in the comment section. If you liked the video so far, please consider subscribing to our channel, as it motivates us to create more such content. Let us now jump to solve another type of question. This is similar to the previous one we solved, but here we need to find the rank from top instead of bottom. From the visual representation of the question, we know that since Seema is ranked 15th from bottom, there must be 14 students below her. Since there are 43 students in total, 14 of which are below Seema, this means that the remaining students are above her. If 28 students are above Seema, then her rank from top is 29th. Again, by applying the formula, we will arrive at the same answer. If you have any doubts till this point, let us know in the comments. Let us now solve another type of question on single ranking. Since Neha is ranked 20th from bottom, there are 19 students below her. Also, since she is ranked 28th from top, there are 27 students above her. To count the total number of students, we will have to add the number of students above and below Neha. Don't forget that we have to include Neha as well. Voila! We get the total students as 47 with ease, isn't it? We can also apply the given formula. By subtracting 1 from the sum of the ranks of the same student, we can easily arrive at the answer. Here's another similar question for you to test your understanding. Try to solve this question and see if you followed the video thoroughly. Here's a quick summary of the formula used when we are required to find the opposite rank, or the total number of participants. As mentioned previously, it is always better to go by the approach, rather than memorizing the formula. If you liked our content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.